Hello everyone, my name is Fadhur Rahman from Trisakti Institute of Transport and Logistics. Now I am going to talk about a topic that plays a very important role in modern supply chain management, direct procurement.
Let me start with the definition. What is direct procurement? Direct procurement refers to the process of acquiring goods, materials, and services that are directly linked to a company's core business activities, particularly its production operations. The items purchased through direct procurement become part of the final product sold to customers. Typical examples include raw materials such as steel, plastic, fabrics, electronic components, chemicals, or packaging materials. This type of procurement is strategic and critical because it has a direct impact on production costs, product quality, and overall operational continuity. According to the Chartered Institute of Procurement and Supply CIPS, direct procurement is the acquisition of goods and services that have a direct relationship with the creation of a company's primary products or services. The main objective of direct procurement is to ensure the continuous availability of materials and components required for production in the right quantity, quality, price, and time. It aims to maintain production stability and cost efficiency while ensuring that all inputs meet quality standards. Specifically, direct procurement seeks to guarantee a smooth supply of materials, maintain cost competitiveness, support timely production schedules, and establish long-term relationships with reliable suppliers. Another important goal is to strengthen the overall supply chain performance so that the company can respond effectively to market changes and customer needs. Characteristics of direct procurement. Direct procurement differs from other procurement types due to several key characteristics: high purchase frequency, as materials are needed continuously. Strategic and long-term supplier relationships, since supply stability is critical. Direct impact on cost of goods sold (COGS), making efficiency in this area essential. Loose coordination with production, planning, and warehouse departments. Strict quality control and monitoring, as materials directly affect product outcomes. The direct procurement process. The direct procurement process generally follows several main stages. Requirement identification. The production or planning team defines material specifications and quantities needed. Procurement planning, conducted based on production schedules and capacity planning. Supplier selection, evaluation based on price, quality, capacity, reputation, and reliability. Quotation and negotiation. Request for quotation, RFQ issued and commercial terms negotiated. Contracting and purchase order pool, agreement on price, quality, delivery, and payment terms. Delivery and quality inspection, ensuring that materials received meet specifications. Payment and supplier performance evaluation. Payment is processed after acceptance, followed by supplier performance review. Now, it's also important to understand how direct procurement differs from indirect procurement. Difference between direct and indirect procurement. Direct procurement differs from indirect procurement in purpose and impact. Direct procurement involves acquiring materials used in production, such as raw materials or components, while indirect procurement focuses on goods and services that support business operations but do not directly form part of the final product, such as office equipment or maintenance services. Direct procurement has a direct influence on product cost, quality, and production schedules, making it more strategic and closely monitored. In contrast, indirect procurement is more administrative and transactional in nature. Strategic role in the supply chain. Direct procurement plays a critical role in supply chain management, as it forms the foundation of production. Any disruption in this process can affect ensuring smooth material flow from suppliers to production lines, contributing to cost efficiency and competitive pricing. Enabling better forecasting and integrated production planning. Promoting supplier-driven innovation to improve quality and reduce costs. Key performance indicators. To assess the effectiveness of direct procurement, several KPIs are used: cost savings, reduction achieved through negotiation, or efficiency. On-time delivery rate, percentage of materials delivered on schedule. Material quality rate, proportion of materials that meet specifications. Procurement lead time, time between purchase request and receipt of goods. Supplier performance index, composite measure of quality, timeliness, and service. Challenges in direct procurement. Direct procurement often faces several challenges, including fluctuating raw material prices in global markets, supplier dependency, and supply disruptions due to limited sourcing. Inconsistent quality among different suppliers. Global logistics issues and geopolitical risks. Need for digital transformation to enhance transparency and efficiency. Best practices in direct procurement. To ensure efficiency and resilience, companies should implement the following best practices: strategic sourcing, selecting suppliers based on total value, not just price. Supplier relationship management (SRM), building long-term, collaborative partnerships. Data analytics and forecasting, using data to predict demand and manage inventory effectively. Digital procurement systems, applying e-procurement for transparency and speed. Sustainable procurement, prioritizing environmentally responsible and ethical suppliers. To conclude, direct procurement is a core element of supply chain management that directly influences operational success, product quality, and profitability. Through careful planning, supplier collaboration, and the adoption of digital technologies, organizations can achieve efficient, transparent, and sustainable procurement systems. An effective direct procurement strategy ensures stable production, cost efficiency, and competitive advantage in today's global market.